Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Exploration. My name is Anas. Today I'm going to discuss about Kindle Paperwhite 7th generation 2017 edition. And guys, it's being used for last 3 years. And I just wanted to update you guys about its performance, battery life, and my overall experience. So if you are planning to buy it recently and want to know how long will you be able to use this device, so we'll be discussing everything in this video. So let's start. My experience after 3 years of usage is good. It's even now as good as new, and if you watch over its body, it also does not show much signs of wearing over the time. Of course, I have been using a case though. And if I talk about the battery life, it takes 2 hours to charge completely, and it generally gives more than 2 weeks of usage over moderate settings. Like if you use Wi-Fi and backlight, then it's going to drain faster. If you have downloaded the books already and don't need to switch on the Wi-Fi, and it makes much difference in battery life. The good thing is, in normal day life you can read without even switching on the backlight, and believe me, if you do not use Wi-Fi and backlight, it's going to go a long way on a single charge for like 3 to 4 weeks. Now let's talk about some reading experience. So if you're reading this book and if you want to turn the page to the right, just you need to tap the right side of the screen like this, and likewise if you want to turn to the left, just tap to the left side of the screen. And either way you can do this like this also, as you do in your smartphones. Right, swipe right or swipe left to go to the left or right. So here we are. Oh, how to get out of here, like if you want to go back or go back to the home screen, so you just need to tap here on the top of the screen and the options show up. So here just click on the home screen and you are here. Like, okay, again open the book, and there's some settings I'll let you know. Just click here, go to this AA, you can see AA, just click here, and you get a lot of themes to select from, like this this is large, and this is for low vision, like if someone has low eyesight, weak eyesight, so they can use this theme to read in bold and large fonts. Okay, so let's go back to the custom, and here you can choose font sizes of your preference, like this. Okay, let's go back, and you can make the fonts like characters bold, 1 2 3 like this. Okay, and you can choose the font also from here. Different fonts are you can choose from. So let's go to the layout. From here you can choose the orientation, like if you want to read horizontally, so you select this and it turns horizontal. Again you press this and it will turn vertical again. And here some more options are there, like this. If you want to choose from these options, like if you want to show clock, which is you can see here, the clock is being displayed while you read the book. If you don't want to see this clock while reading, just switch it off like this and the clock disappears. So I want the clock to be visible, just click on it, and let's go back. And if you want to jump to, suppose, a certain page or a chapter, you can just go to here and give the location of the page if you want, or you just select the chapter, if you whichever you want to jump to, like this, and you come here. Okay, so, and there are some settings also from here which you can choose, like device option, my account, like device option. You can use device, and you can see the device info from here. You can set the device passcode if you want, and if you want to set the device time, you can do it from here. You can restart the Kindle, and there are a lot of more options here. So let's go back. And if you have purchased a book from Amazon Kindle store, doesn't matter whether if you purchase it from the Kindle itself or from your smartphone or from your laptop, you just need to log into your Amazon account and buy the book from the Kindle store, and you just need to sync your Kindle like this. Just click here, but for this your Wi-Fi should be on, which is not the case. It is Wi-Fi. There's no Wi-Fi at present, that's why it's not syncing. So anyways, you can sync like this. If your Wi-Fi is on and you have left the book at a certain page, and if you open your Kindle account somewhere else like on your laptop or mobile phone, so you can start reading from where you left. Okay, so that was all about this
I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it for now. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.